how to do affiliate marketing on TikTok. Before I go into the 3 simple steps, I just want to say this is for someone that may already know how to do affiliate marketing. If you don't know where to start, click on the link below. And also add your TikTok username below so we can help each other and follow each other. All right, let's get into the steps. Step number 1, search for affiliate marketing hashtag on TikTok's platform. Sure enough, you will see other entrepreneurs, other affiliate marketers creating content on all sorts of stuff that has to do with affiliate marketing. Model their success, see what they're doing, create similar content with your own style, your own personality, and you're off to the races. Step number 2 is add your link in bio. I'm not sure if everybody can do this. You might have to be on TikTok for a certain amount of time or have a certain amount of followers. But if you can't do that, then direct your traffic to your YouTube channel. So connect your YouTube channel to your TikTok profile. And something that I do is that I put my username.com, which my username.com is an actual website where people can go, and it's a landing page where they can learn more about me and about my affiliate marketing. Step number 3 is just be consistent. Create content over and over using TikTok. If you don't do this, it's gonna be very hard to be successful with affiliate marketing. So keep adding content. And I'm assuming you already know a little bit about affiliate marketing, but if you don't have an offer to even start all this, click on the link below to get started, and let me know if you need anything else. So guys, I hope you found this video valuable. If you did, please smash the like button and comment below if you have any questions, and add your TikTok username down below, okay? And I'll give it a follow, and maybe everybody else can follow each other, all right? Have a good day.